At Fairfax County Public Schools, we've created what we call safety teams. And these safety teams are working on behalf of the school division to make sure that our mitigation strategies are being applied systemically, division-wide, ensuring that the level of integrity of those mitigating measures are being applied consistently across the division. These teams are made up of individuals, a cadre of individuals, who have been trained not only through our Office of Research Statistics, but also our health department liaisons in working through the Department of Student Services to make sure that we have the consistency I mentioned, and also so we're providing the assurances to be able to report back a metric of what it is going on within our schools. Our schools do a great job. Our principals, our assistant principals, the administrators, the teachers, custodians, and the school bus drivers of making sure that they are wearing their masks properly, that they have hand sanitizer available, that the high-touch areas are being wiped down. But this provides another overlay of inspecting what we expect to be occurring across the division. These monitors will be going out, reviewing the schools on a weekly basis, and what they'll be reviewing is the metrics. There are 5 basic tenets of that, and those tenets include making sure that there's sanitization products available, making sure the signage is up, wayfinding is the students are and adults are operating within the recommended mitigation measures that we have in place. People are wearing their masks properly, they're wearing their masks, they're maintaining that social distance of 6 feet wherever possible, and the like. They provide instant feedback to the principal and the administrative staff so that if there is something that somebody might have omitted for a moment or somebody might have just not been able to visually see, because they are inspecting our schools, our teams, our principals, our administrators, our staff are vigilant of making sure that not only students, but each other are all in this together, trying to make sure we mitigate the spread.
Well, I thought your building looked very clean and very well. I was very impressed with that. I went by 8 classrooms where there was teachers in them. They all were wearing masks, even though they didn't need to because the doors were shut, but they were all wearing masks. One by one, when she didn't have the mask, but the door was shut, and when I knocked on the door, she put it on right away before she came. Very impressive.
We talk about, in Fairfax County Public School, about continuous learning. Continuous learning, in a lot of instances, comes in positive senses, and that's the connotation that we use. But when you look at things such as this, and you look at the impact of this pandemic and this virus, we have learned a lot. And we continuously are learning together, not only how to mitigate spread, but how to support each other. Supporting each other so we can get through this together.